Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Pro Car Studio. My name is Rudy, and today we're going to be installing a SiriMoto tow strap on our 10th Gen Civic Si. So the installation of the SiriMoto tow strap should be pretty straightforward. This will tie into a secure frame or maybe a bumper beam position, and we're going to use an M12 by 80 millimeter long bolt and a nut, of course, to tighten everything down. The installation should be very straightforward, and it'll allow you to add some great aesthetics to your car while also being a little bit functional in the event that you go off course or your engine shuts off or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get right into the installation. Should be pretty straightforward, just a matter of taking off the bumper, which we've already done, drilling a few holes and bolting the tow strap down. So obviously we're going to remove the front bumper, but we mocked it up just to kind of show you guys what you want to do to place the tow strap. So you want to get an idea of where you want to locate it. Once you have a good understanding of where you could bolt it down, and make sure you have something to grab onto, in this case our bumper beam. We went ahead and measured that we're going to be about 7/8 of an inch from this little angle behind here on the beam. So we're going to remove this, locate where we're going to drill our mounting holes, double check everything, maybe put the bumper back on with the tow straps hanging out, just to check that it'll reach. And then we're actually going to start drilling our holes, bolting it down. Now that we have the hole drilled out, we'll go ahead and position our bolt, tighten down our tow strap, and use the nut obviously to torque everything down. Now that we have the tow strap in place, we could go ahead and install our bumper. And you want to maybe have a second person help you out, or if you don't, you could always hold the bumper in place with one of these clips. Meanwhile, you'll be able to route the tow strap through either the grill opening or whatever opening you might choose to use. And so that'll pretty much do it for the installation of the SiriMoto tow strap. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Your biggest hurdle is going to be removing the front bumper, but that's pretty simple. You know, it probably takes you maybe 30 minutes in total. Again, you want to make sure that there's nothing behind the area that you're going to be drilling. You don't want to drill into the AC condenser or radiator or anything like that. Just want to be mindful of that. And one other thing that we actually used was a little bit of thread sealant. If you have some laying around, it's good to use it just to make sure that the bolts don't come loose. But overall, pretty straightforward. I think it looks pretty good on our car, so we'll see. Hopefully we don't have to use it, but we'll definitely show it off at the track. Once again, my name is Rudy from Pro Car Studio. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'll see you next time.